Well, Mama Kitty brought me her baby kitty. This might be the only one she has. Don't know. She is such a tiny cat. She can't be that old. I don't think she's more than 7 months. Mama, and Mama's milk has pretty much dried up, so she's pretty much weaned her baby, because these were bigger. So now she's had to bring the baby to me. Could you go, Mama? Could you go, Mama? And this must be a sibling. He's skittish to eat, but he'll eat. Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead and eat. Go ahead. It's a boy. He's a little bit bigger than Mama. Mama should be bigger, but she probably got stunted by being pregnant. And I don't know if this is her only baby that survived, because I didn't think when her titties started going away, I've just figured that, yeah, you need treatment for fleas. I just figured that all of her babies died. But I was wrong. She managed to have this one. That's funny, they're all yellow, orange, or whatever. My cats are interested in being friends, aren't they? This kitten, it's tame, so somebody must have been doing something with it. Hey, boy. Hi, boy, you're so skittish. You're skittish. You two are so skittish. I bet you're brothers and sisters. You want some of that kitty food? Well, I don't think that kitty can eat all this. When kitten gets through, you can have the rest. They all want the wet food. That's really good food right there. They're probably used to cheapy. If you get any, you're probably just used to cheapy. Yes. Come here, boy. I'm going to put my hand. Come here, boy. Look. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Let's see if he wants a chunk of this. You want some of this? Hey. Hey, boy. Want some of this? Yeah. I'm going to take it and run. It's okay. Yeah, your baby will get enough to eat. Yeah, you get enough to eat. I'll buy some more cat food today. I gotta go to town. Boy, it's muggy out here. I'll show you why I had to get out here today. Where's Kitten going? Where you going, Kitten? Uh-oh. Kitten might have to go to the bathroom. Oh, he's so little. He's so little. Come here. Come here, baby. Oh, I was going to take him to the bathroom. Okay, I'll show y'all what I did today. I didn't put my tools up. But every time it rains, I about bust my ass. You see that gravel? And I made sure it was level so I can open this with no problem. I had to make it thinner here and heavier there. Really got that drain coming out. That's not the problem though. That drain is not the problem. So much. It's this slopes and comes on down, gets dirty, goes right here, and there's concrete under this. But it's low, it's below grade, see? Below grade. And I did the splits yesterday. Woo! And luckily I was hanging on to the gate. At my age, I do not want to fall and fall back on this concrete. So I told my husband how I was going to fix it. He wanted me to use this stuff here. Y'all, this would make a mess. This is like, what do you call this? This is what you put down, like, you know, when you're putting stone down. I told him, I said, heck no, I don't want that stuff down. I said, that'll get tracked everywhere. And this is not real heavy stone. This is not real big gravel anyway. You know, these gravels aren't big. It's not the biggest, smaller gravel. But let's see after the next hard rain how this turns out. Okay, we're out at the garden, so let's look at my squash. These are about ready to pick. I don't like them too big. See that one right there? There's some more in here. There. I can get my camera on. There it is. Some over here. They're just thick as all the way down. This squash, I'll be putting that up soon. So, anyway. Now my tomatoes are getting too much rain and stuff. But they got flowers on them, but this is not a good sign. It's not getting enough heat, and it's getting too much water. It would even get more water if this plastic wasn't here. I do have tomatoes coming on. Just don't know how they're going to do this year. I'm thinking about planting some more. I got 1, 2, 3. I forgot how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 tomato plants. We don't usually eat a lot of pasta and stuff, but you never know. We might have to. So I'm going to be, I'm going to dehydrate some, and I'm going to make, well, I'm just going to put up, I'm just going to can tomatoes. Then I can decide what I want to do with the tomatoes. Okay, that's it. I got to get ready. Got to go to Fort Smith. All right, y'all. Bye and have a... Well, let's go see if the baby's still here. Okay, that's what's going on. It's what's going on, the kitty. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Come here. Come here, kitty. Ah, little kitty. Now, Mama. Eat some dry food. Oh, I didn't mean to run you off. Yeah. Let's wait for the kitty. See the kitty? Right there. Kitty gonna get yourself in trouble. Oops, you're gonna get your leg smashed. Oh. Kitty. Yeah. Yeah. You meowing at me? Are you meowing at me? Huh? I hope Zeus don't bother you. I'm not worried about Zeus as much as Gizmo. And he hadn't ate yet. I gotta check the front door. He might be at the front door. He's a kitten. Keeps running from me. Yeah, you can tell they're family. Mama, I thought your babies might have died or something, because you're so little. Yes. I guess you have at least one that lived. The camera might not show, but she is very little. You're very little. She's grown since I've been feeding her. A month now, I guess. She's limping. She got in a fight or something. One of them, I guess, bit her leg. You know, cats are mean to each other. Probably got it from maybe even breeding, I don't know. Come on. The little kitty's playing. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. That's a boy right there. And It's his mama. I hadn't named her nothing. I just call her Mama. Hey, baby. Baby. I bet you're a boy. I hope not. And Mom and her baby. First time she brought me her baby, I knew she would if she had any. I think she's got it winged, so she'll be bringing it to have it eat. I have to buy some more soft food. I go get some kitty food, kitten food. Come here. There's a kitten. The kitten run.
You're gonna keep her right.
Look. That's a boy cat over there, but they're family. You can tell because they don't fight. I bet they're brothers and sisters.
Mm-hmm. I seen him the other day. They all went through some hell.
Yeah, he's skinny. He that baby. Now that baby lets me hold it, so somebody's been holding it. They're just not feeding them.
Kids. I think them kids over there, they've been staying over there by those houses.
Over here? Yeah. They're not feeding them though. I have to get some kitty food now. Senna was really interested in the, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. That's the size I got Senna. It's just been winged, I guess.
They've been getting food.
Me?
You've been feeding them the last 2 weeks, haven't you?
Yeah, she's fattened up. She was emaciated. And she needed it because she was still nursing this kitten.
Yeah.
This is probably the only one that survived.
Yep. Oh, she'd have brought all of them.
Yeah, I think so too. We'll see tomorrow. Anyway, this kitten got wet food, and then and then he finished it up.
Well,
So
are you gonna let them all leave tonight?
What?
Are you gonna let them all leave?
He'll be back.